So hello guys, how are you all? I am fine, and in this video we're going to talk about how to collect an LED with an Arduino using jumper wires. So first of all, you're gonna need an you're gonna need an Arduino, and you have to connect this Arduino with a power supply. For this, we're gonna use this 9-volt battery and connect the other end of this battery with this power jack of this Arduino. In this way, you can see that the on button is now powered up. It means the Arduino is now connected and the current is flowing through this Arduino. Then we're gonna also use this breadboard. You can use any type of breadboard. So here it is an 800 pins breadboard. For connecting Arduino with LED, we're gonna also need this jumper wires. You can use any color of the jumper wires, and here we are using male to male jumper wires. So first of all, gonna connect the jumper wire with a 3.3 volt pin and a ground pin. So we're gonna use the green for 3.3 volt pin, and you're gonna use this yellow color jumper wire for ground pin. Basically ground means negative and 3.3 volt means positive. So here yellow will be connected to the ground pin and this green pin will be connected to 3.3 volt pin, and here it is. So now the both jumper wires are connected with an Arduino. Now we will connect the jumper wires to this breadboard. Here, as we know that the yellow is for negative and the green is for positive. Now, now they are connecting the jumper wire are connected to the breadboard. It means the current is first of all flowing through this battery to this Arduino. Now, and the current is flowing from this Arduino to in this breadboard, and it is going back to this Arduino. It means now the current is flowing through this whole pins on this multi-con pins. So now if we want to connect this LCD within within a power supply, or we want to provide current to this LCD, we have to connect it to this breadboard. But how do we know which pin should be connected to positive and which pin should be connected to negative? For this, here you can see the difference. Here the one pin is long as compared to other pin. So in this case, the longer pin is for positive while the shorter pin is for negative. It means here this pin is longer, it means it should be connected to positive while the shorter pin should be connected to the negative. So here it is positive, here it is positive while it is negative. It means this no longer pin should be connected to the positive side and the shorter pin should be connected to the negative side. You can see the LCD it light up. It means the current is flowing to this LCD, and this is how we connect an LCD with Arduino. There are many other ways you can just directly connect it without using any jumper wires. Just you can directly connect it negative to ground and positive to 3.3 volt, and you can see the LCD is also light up. But it is not a right way. The best way is using these jumper wires and breadboard. What happen if we connect the pin to the wrong side? It means if we connect the longer side to negative and the shorter side to positive. So here if we try this, you can see LED will not gonna light up because it basically LED is a diode and current can only flow in one direction in this LED. So you need to get its positive and negative right, otherwise the current will not flow through this LED and this LED will not gonna light up.